In this video, we're looking at the injury death risk factor and rurality dashboard. Starting in the upper left-hand corner, you can see a map of the United States, and this map shows the different states with different shades of blue. The map is representing the age-adjusted premature death rate. So this death rate is the median premature death in terms of the number of deaths per every 100,000 population. So as you can see, the state of Montana has 7,480 for every 100,000 people. And those states that have higher premature death rates are identified in darker blue, and the lighter shades of blue represents those states with lower premature death rates. Now off to the right here, we see a listing of all the counties in the United States, and they're in descending order of death rates. So premature death rates, those counties with the highest premature death rates are at the top. And if we scroll down, we can see those states or those counties with lower premature death rates. And again, this is for every 100,000 people. Now you'll note that each of these counties are a different color. And if we take a look over here at the legend, we can see that this is color-coded based on the population type, where metro represents counties that have a population of 50,000 or more. Non-metro city counties are identified as populations between 2,500 but less than 50,000, and non-metro towns are populations that are less than 2,500. Now if we scroll down further, we can see some plots here. First couple plots are looking at childhood poverty rates and comparing them against drug overdose deaths, the median injury death rate, median homicide, and the median vehicle deaths. Now if we scroll down further, we're taking a look at childhood poverty rate versus education. So some high school diploma and some college. Scrolling down further, we have two more plots saying those people that have some college and their drug overdose deaths versus those that have a high school diploma and the drug overdose deaths. So scrolling back up, what we can do next is we can use some filters. So there's two ways that we can filter the data. First by state, and then second by population type. So if we click on any one state, let's say Idaho, click on Idaho. And so what we can do is then filter the data by only the data from the state of Idaho. So we can see a listing of all the counties in Idaho, and in descending order, their premature death rates. And then down in our plots, they're also then filtered to show only data coming from the state of Idaho. Now if we want to go back and look at all data, we can click on Idaho again, and that's going to refresh the dashboard to include all data. Now we can then go to, say we want to look at only non-metro cities. So we can deselect the other values, and the dashboard is going to refresh, and it's going to show us only data from non-metro cities. And you can see down here, it's only the orange values, non-metro cities that are included in our plots. All right, so we can go back and click on all, and then that's going to refresh the dashboard and include all the data. So now this is all the data. All right, so this is the injury death risk factor and rurality dashboard.